Chemistry Grade 9. I'm your chemistry teacher Samin Mumtaz. Today we are going to study from the chapter number 1 Fundamentals of Chemistry. Today's topic is chemical calculations. Today's objective calculating the number of moles, number of particles and mass of a substance. Observe this diagram. Number of moles can be converted into mass by multiply with molar mass. Mass can be converted into number of moles by dividing the molar mass. Same moles can be converted into particle by multiply the Avogadro number, and particle can be converted into moles by dividing the Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now, student, did you remember? A mole is defined as the amount mass of a substance that contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles. These particles may be atoms, molecules, or formula unit. It establishes a link between the mass of a substance and number of particles. It is abbreviated as mole, MOL. Now, we are going to do the chemical calculations. Chemical calculations, it is based on the concept of mole and Avogadro number. So, calculation may be mole mass calculation or mole particle calculation. First, mole mass calculation. We are using formula method here. Formula method, number of moles can be is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. So, what is molar mass? A mole is the atomic mass, molecular mass, or formula mass of a substance expressed in gram. A mole is the atomic mass, molecular mass, or formula mass of a substance expressed in gram. So we can calculate mole, molar mass of carbon dioxide, the mass in gram of 1 mole of any substance. Carbon dioxide formula, carbon on present only one time, oxygen present on two times. So, molar mass can be calculated with the mass of carbon and oxygen. Carbon atomic mass 12, oxygen atomic mass 16. But here we observed that two carbon oxygen atom is there. So 16 multiplied by 2, we got the 32. The mass of 1 mole of carbon dioxide is 44. 12 plus 32 is really 44 gram. So molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram. Here we present example from your book, chemistry book. This example is 1.5, converting moles to grams. We having moles and we are going to convert into gram. Question is, oxygen is converted to ozone during thunderstorm. Calculate the mass of ozone if 9.05 moles of ozone is formed in a storm. Formula. We know the formula, number of moles is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. We already having the number of moles, so we are required to calculate the mass in gram. So we change the formula. Now formula become the mass in gram is equal to number of moles multiplied by molar mass. Arrange the data. We having three topic, three title. Number A, mass of ozone, we have to calculate. Number of moles, it already given 9.05 moles. Molar mass of ozone, formula of ozone is O3. So 3 oxygen is there. 1 oxygen having mass 16. 16 multiplied by 3, we got the 48 gram. So molar mass of ozone is 48 gram. Now equation. Equation. Moles we already have. Mass we have to calculate. Moles 9.05 moles of ozone molecule. Mass of ozone molecule. We are going to calculate. Calculation, mass in gram is equal to number of moles multiplied by molar mass. Mass in gram 9.05 multiplied by 48. So we got the mass of ozone is equal to 434.4 gram of ozone. Result, 9.05 moles of ozone contains 434.4 gram of ozone. Another example, converting moles to gram. Example 1.6. When natural gas burn, carbon dioxide form. If 0.25 moles of carbon dioxide form, what mass of carbon dioxide is produced? Formula: number of moles is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. So mass in gram is equal to number of moles multiplied by molar mass. Arrange the data. Mass of carbon dioxide we have to calculate. Moles of carbon dioxide 0.25 moles. Molar mass of carbon dioxide 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 gram. Equation: mass we already have, moles we have to calculate. Now equation: moles we already have 0.25 gram of carbon dioxide. Sorry, equation: moles we already have 0.25 moles of carbon dioxide. Mass we have to calculate. Calculation: mass in gram is equal to number of moles multiplied by molar mass. Mass in gram is equal to 0.25 multiplied by 44. We got the 11 gram of carbon dioxide. The result will be 0.25 moles of carbon dioxide contains 11 gram of carbon dioxide. Got it? Now converting grams to molecule. Now we have grams. We are going to calculate into moles. Examples 1.7a. How many moles are present in balloon filled with 5 gram of hydrogen? Formula: number of moles is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. Arrange the data. Number of moles we have to calculate. Given mass of hydrogen 5 gram, molar mass of hydrogen 2 gram. Calculation: number of moles is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. Number of moles is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. Number of moles is equal to 5 gram divided by 2 gram. Number of moles will be 2.48 moles of hydrogen molecules. So result will be 5 gram of hydrogen gas contains 2.48 moles of hydrogen. Converting grams to moles. Example 1.7b. How many moles are present in block of ice that weigh 100 gram? Formula: number of moles is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. Data we have to arrange. Number of moles we have to calculate. Given mass of ice 100 gram. Molar mass of ice water molecule 18. Hydrogen H2O. Formula of water H2O, hydrogen 2 times, oxygen present in 1 times. 1 multiplied by 2 hydrogen and 16 oxygen. 16 plus 2 18 gram. So molar mass of water molecule or ice 18 gram. Now equation: mass is already given, moles we have to calculate. 100 gram of ice water molecules, how many moles are there? Calculation: number of moles is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. Number of moles is equal to 100 gram divided by 18 gram. We got the number of moles 5.55 moles of ice. Result: 100 gram of ice contains 5.55 moles of 100 gram of ice contains 5.55 moles of ice. Mole particle calculations. You know, we are doing by the formula method. Number of moles can be calculated with the number of particles divided by Avogadro constant, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. A mole is defined as the amount mass of a substance that contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles. That particles may be atoms, molecules, or formula unit. A mole of particle contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. 1 mole of carbon means 12 grams of carbon having 6.022 into 10 to into 10 to power 23 carbon atom. 1 mole of water means 18 grams of water having 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 water molecule. 1 mole of NaCl means 58.5 gram NaCl contains 6.022 to 10 to the power 23 NaCl molecules. Technically, ions are compound, not molecules, so they are called formula unit. So, in NaCl, there is 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 sodium ions and 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 chloride ions are present. Note that the number is always the same, but the mass is very different. Now, examples: converting moles to particle, atoms, molecules, or ion. Example 1.8. Zinc is a silvery metal that is used to galvanize steel to prevent corrosion. How many atoms are there in 1.25 moles of zinc? Formula: number of particles is equal to number of moles multiplied by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Data: number of moles, number of particles of zinc we have to calculate. Number of moles of zinc 1.25 moles given. Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now calculation. First we have to make the equation. Number of moles already given. Number of particles or atom we have to calculate. 1.25 moles of zinc. How many number of atoms of zinc are present in 1.25 moles of zinc? Now calculation. Number of particles is equal to number of moles multiplied by Avogadro constant. Number of particle 1.25 multiplied by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 multiply 1.25 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, we got the 7.53 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So 1.25 moles of zinc contains 7.53 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of zinc. Another example: converting moles to particle, atoms, molecule, or ions. Example 1.9. Methane is major component of natural gas. How many molecules are present in 0.5 moles of a pure sample of methane? We already having moles. We are going to calculate particle. Formula: number of particles is equal to number of moles multiplied by Avogadro constant, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Data. Arrange the data. We know the number of particles of methane. We have to calculate number of moles of methane already given, that is 0.5 moles, and Avogadro number we already know that 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now equation: moles we already have given in the question. Particles we have to calculate. 0.5 moles of methane, number of molecules of methane. Calculation: number of particles is equal to number of molecules into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Number of moles is equal to zero point 0.5, so multiply zero point 0.5 into Avogadro constant, we got the 3.011 into 10 to the power 23. So result is 0.5 moles of methane contains 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of methane. Now we are going to converting particles to mole. We having the particles and we are going to convert into moles, atoms, molecules, or ion. Example present in your book 1.10. Titanium is corrosion resistant metal that is used in rocket, aircraft, and jet engine. Calculate the number of moles of this metal in a sample containing 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 titanium atom. Formula: number of moles is equal to number of atom divided by Avogadro constant, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now arrange the data. Number of moles of titanium molecule we have to calculate. Number of titanium atoms already given, that is 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 titanium atom. Avogadro constant we already know that 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now equation: particles, molecules already given, moles we have to calculate. Number of titanium atom is 3.011 into 10 to the power 23, and number of moles of titanium we have to calculate. Calculation: number of moles is equal to number of particle divided by Avogadro constant. Number of moles is equal to 3.01 into 10 to the power 23 divided by Avogadro constant, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Cancel the exponent, both having 10 to the power 23. So 3.011 1 divided by 6.022, we got the zero point 0.5 moles of titanium metal. So result will be 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 titanium atom contains zero point 0.5 moles of titanium. Another example: converting particles to mole, atoms, molecule, and ions. Example 1.11. Formaldehyde is used to preserve dead animals. Calculate the number of moles that wood contains 3.011 into 10 to the power 22 molecules of this compound. Formula: number of moles is equal to number of particles divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Arrange the data. Number of moles of formaldehyde CH2O. We have to calculate number of formaldehyde is given 3.011 to 10 to the power 22 molecule, and Avogadro number, that is constant, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now, equation: particles already given, that is 3.011 to 10 to the power 23, and moles we have to calculate. Now calculation: number of moles is equal to number of particle divided by Avogadro number. Number of moles particle is given 3.011 to 10 to the power 23, 22, and divided by Avogadro constant, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Calculate them, we got the 0.05 moles of titanium. So result is 3.011 into 10 to the power 22 formaldehyde molecule step by step as per given instruction. You must know the definition of moles and mole and Avogadro number. You must know relationship between mole and Avogadro number. Solve the given exercise, relevant self-assessment exercise question, that is exercise 1.8, 1.9, and 1.10. You have to solve, and short questions from exercise page number 28, question number 6, 7, 8, and 14. If you have any query and question, please contact me or message me. Thank you.